Hello guys, this is the recipe of snail curry. Yes, snail curry, which is prepared from edible water snail. It is mostly common in Africa region and Asia region. It is not only tasty but also has so many health benefits. It contains pro- high protein, low fat, rich in iron and antioxidant properties. It also supports our immune system. Here I had taken 1 kg of snail and kept it water for overnight to clean its internal dirt. I will explain you about this snail curry in detail. So watch till the end. After keeping in water, I cleaned it by cutting its back part to remove its excretal and dirt. After that, cleaned it by rubbing and kept on fire for boiling for 10 minutes and kept it is. If you want new recipe about snail curry, please comment. Do like, share, subscribe. Rubbing is very necessary because sometimes algae are attached to it which is harmful for our body. So we rub it and also we boil it. After cleaning and rubbing, we kept it on fire for boiling for 10 minutes. After boiling and rubbing, now we will clean its mouth region. For spices, we have taken paste of garlic, onion, green chilies, salt, coriander powder, chili powder, and kept mustard oil and fried it. We can keep salt according to our taste. Friends, now we will put mustard oil and keep it to be hot. Now we'll put all the spices and mix it well. We'll stir. We'll fry it. It smells so good. I feel like it will be so tasty. We had added some water and kept it for 1 minute. Now we will add the cleaned snails. We will cook it. We will leave it for some minutes so that all the spices enter to the snails. It smells so good, yummy. We had added some water, boiled for 3 minutes, and we have boiled for 3 minutes and added flaxseed powder to enhance its taste. Now it is ready to soak and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Make this recipe at your home and comment how it tastes. Have you ever tasted?
This is snail curry.
This is snail curry.